Good morning. I just wanted to do a couple of quick examples of what you should be doing with the Go formative from yesterday. I noticed a few pretty simple mistakes for those of you that have been working on it, and I just want to help you find a way to get around those and fix those. So really quickly here, if I want to write the P sub K minus 1 or K plus 1 step, what that means is that everywhere that I see K, so here and here, I have to replace it with K plus 1. But when I do that, I think it's really important that you remember that you need to put that K plus 1 in parentheses, because whatever's being done to K in the original statement now has to be done to K plus 1. So instead of just being K squared, it has to be K plus 1 squared. Instead of just being K plus 3, it has to be K plus 1 plus 3 and then squared, all over 6. So when we simplify that, what that will look like is K plus 1 squared, I don't need you to multiply that out, times, in the middle here, not middle, but this piece here, this is all just being added together. So I could just add K plus 1 plus 3 and get K plus 4 squared, all over 6. And then that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, and then I just wanted to show you one more. So this is another one that a lot of people had trouble with. So if I want to find the P sub K plus 1 step, that again means I have to replace every K with K plus 1. And if you just remember that when you're writing K plus 1, it should always be written in parentheses. It's really going to help you not make any arithmetic errors. So that first K over 3, I can now write it as K plus 1 over 3. And then I'm going to multiply by, so here's where the parentheses really are going to be important, 2, and then replace K with K plus 1, but put that K plus 1 in parentheses. Now, the first part of this, the K plus 1 over 3, that's good. We don't need to do anything else with it. But what's inside this bigger set of parentheses here, we need to think about how to simplify that. So maybe if I just go off to the side here and do 2 times K plus 1 plus 1. Order of operations is important. If this were just a standalone problem, you guys would know how to deal with it. Distribute 2, and then add 2 and 1 together. So inside the green part of this problem, I can write the 2K plus 3. So this final statement ends up being K plus 1 over 3. You can write it with the parentheses or without. Once you've simplified it, you can get rid of the parentheses if they're not necessary. And then times, instead of 2 times K plus 1 plus 1, we can write 2 times K plus 3. And then that would be your answer. Okay, I hope this helps. Once you've finished up yesterday's assignment, try to watch this video for the new video for today, and then try part 2 of the induction assignment. Okay, I will see you guys on Thursday, and I miss you all. Be good. I'll see you soon.